graph the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 4y plus 31 equals 0. This circle is in general form. General form is useful, but not very. I can tell because it's x squared and y squared, it's not a parabola. Because it's y squared, it's not a function. This is the only type of the conic sections that we cover besides the nice parabolas. This is not the parabola, this is a circle. But the standard form is what I want. The standard form looks like this: x minus h quantity squared plus parentheses y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So we have completed squares on the x and on the y variable, and it equals a number on the right which represents the square of the radius. The center is what makes this inside equal to 0, h value, and what makes this value equal to 0, the k. So this has a center of h and k and radius r. So we got to get to that form. So completing the square, first off I'm going to group the appropriate x variables together, leaving a space, and then the y variables together, again leaving a space, and move that negative 31 now. It was positive on the left, moving it to the right is now negative. I need to figure out what perfect number I need to add here. The way to do this, if you take the negative 12 and divide by 2 and square it, negative 6 squared is 36. It tells me I need to add 36 to the left, and of course add 36 to the right as well. So I'm going to need to subdivide a little bit. Now for the minus 4, for the y, same operations, divide by 2 and square. That would be negative 2 squared is 4. I have to add 4 to make that a perfect square, and do the same thing to the right. So now, this is a perfect square. It is x minus 6 quantity squared. And all of those turn into y minus 2 quantity squared. And the right side, that's 40 minus 31 equals 9. Now we have standard form for a circle. From there I can get the center. What makes that 0 is 6, and what makes that 0 is 2, and the radius r is the square root of the number on the right, in this case reduces to 3. Okay, with the center and radius, I can go to the center, put a dot, and then go 3 to the right, 3 to the left, 3 up, and 3 down. I went 4 to the right. I bet if I erase that 1, a whole bunch of stuff will go away. I knew it. Crazy. 3, 3, 3, 3. And then try as hard as you can not to make an oval. If you label this with a 3 there, and really hard with this tablet, and label the center, you'll get full credit, even if your graph does not look like a circle. It looks like some kind of a rotten egg or an alien head or a diamond. Label the radius and the center and you'll get full credit. Okay, I hope this helps.